Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and tap on the battery, which is on the 4th position. And as you can see right here we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery immediately appears on the right of the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.